I never thought I would find myself on an elliptical machine, gliding back and forth in a repetitive motion. But here I am, embracing the low-impact workout that is both challenging and surprisingly invigorating. As I step onto the machine, I feel a sense of anticipation mixed with a hint of skepticism. The elliptical treadmill looms in front of me, its sleek design beckoning me to start moving. With a deep breath, I press the start button and begin my journey. The motion is smooth, almost fluid, as my legs push and pull against the pedals. I can feel the burn in my muscles, a gentle reminder that I am working hard without putting undue stress on my joints. It's a different sensation from running on a traditional treadmill where each step reverberates through my body. I adjust the resistance level, challenging myself to push harder and go faster. The machine responds to my efforts, increasing the intensity of the workout. Sweat beads on my forehead, a testament to the effort I am putting in. As I settle into a rhythm, my mind begins to wander. I think about the day ahead, the tasks waiting for me, the challenges I will face. But on the elliptical, those worries seem to fade into the background. All that matters is the next stride, the next push, the next pull. I glance at the timer, watching as the minutes tick by. Time seems to stretch and contract, each second feeling both fleeting and eternal. I lose myself in the motion, in the repetitive cycle of movement. The elliptical becomes my sanctuary, a place where I can escape from the chaos of the world outside. The steady hum of the machine, the whir of the pedals, the rhythm of my breathing. They all blend together in a symphony of exertion. I feel my heart rate rise, my lungs working overtime to supply oxygen to my muscles. I am in the zone now, fully immersed in the act of exercise. The worries and stresses of the day melt away, replaced by a sense of focus and determination. As I approach the end of my workout, I feel a sense of accomplishment wash over me. I may not have run a marathon or climbed a mountain, but I have pushed myself to my limits and emerged stronger for it. I step off the elliptical, my legs trembling slightly from the effort. I wipe the sweat from my brow and take a deep breath, savoring the feeling of a workout well done. And as I walk away, I know that I will be back on that machine again, ready to face the challenge once more.